Why is his Honda Odyssey sliding door is not closed? Here's why and how.
So we got a 2003 Honda Odyssey. You know, I'm going to close my driver's side door here. It's not closing. I'm hitting the button.
Yeah,
Sliding.
it's not sliding. So what happened?
So I'm going to manually close this.
There you go. Manual close it, huh?
And I come to find out that the fuel lid is open.
Oh, okay. So close it and see what happened.
So we close that.
So go ahead and show me, see if it works right now.
Yep, so I close that. Close the fuel lid here.
Okay.
Now I can go ahead and pull that.
There you go.
And it opens.
Simple fix, huh?
Yep. And then you just go back.
There we go.
All it was just the fuel lid was getting caught.
Fuel lid's getting caught. So it's not a motor then.
Nope.
Just a fuel lid.
Yep.
All right, well, thanks, buddy.
No problem.
Yep.